Class. My name is Isaiah Chancy, and for this week, I focus on Chapter 3. I was focusing on the topic of Computer Aided Facility Management, or CAFM software, and Computer Aided Drafting System, which is CAD software. And these two systems being integrated within the sports entertainment industry. And with CAFM software, it started in the 1970s, being created within IBM computers with only material focus on space, real estate, and asset management. And as time progressed, managers have pursued from that real estate focus into a time efficient process, allowing them to micromanage data of revenue, cost, and facility planning in a summarized process. And this common pursuit led to a CAFM industrial race. As within CAFM industry, there's been an uptake of CAFM software being expanded in areas of capital planning, maintenance and operation, real estate and property management, and providing an overall application to make managers' process easy for them. And due to the CAFM software is becoming a mandatory instrument throughout all the venue space and the industry rather than a luxury as when it was first introduced. And the CAFM system uses data from a spreadsheet database to conduct and create this overrides page for upper level management to use and make decisions for. As many managers within this facility look for this data to make their operations become more efficient, whether it's recurring order of inventory for the office and management maintenance supplies for the respective departments, or ordering new equipment. And due to technological innovations, managers have also used another computerized software maintenance called Computer Maintenance Management System, or CMMS. And as CAFM, the aided facility management focused on physical space and assets, computerized maintenance management systems focus on task delegation and equipment maintenance and equipment history. And many sports facilities have adapted using both facility management software and actually developed and integrated using cloud-based solutions and Internet of Things system process to be added integrated with both CAFM and CMS. And based off my personal experience of working at SoFi Stadium, I have observed how SoFi Stadium have a partnership with Google Cloud, being able to use the Google Cloud database and have their own storage to be able to input data and craft a CAFM system of their own and create their own integrated workplace management system by using Internet of Things. Having Google Cloud and Google Spreadsheets being used as an application, managers are able to grab data from a tablet, a computer, a laptop, and access it anywhere through the stadium website as long as they have access to the SoFi Stadium database that's on campus. And with their use of Google Spreadsheet applications for their CAFM system, SoFi Stadium do not use CAFM from an external site such as CBRE, who provides the CAFM systems to other venues, other facilities. But instead, SoFi have created their own, and they have started using. They're also a computer maintenance software called eMaintenance CMS for the facility operations to cooperate with the stadium engineering department to input any work orders or replacements for any equipment that is broken to fix throughout the stadium. And in addition, SoFi Stadium also uses a combination of other software such as the Prism, which is a CAD, which is the computer aided drafting system. CAD is Prism is a CAD software for creating. How about planning out private events or activations for these events throughout the day or throughout the week on a day purpose. As well, SoFi Stadium used the Evolve AI for security screening as they replace metal detectors with Evolve screening machines, as well as Quick is a facility management system software that Stadium has also used. And with that, SoFi Stadium is able to integrate this new technology because of the fact that they have funds from the Kroenke Sports Entertainment Group. And with that, SoFi Stadium is a privately funded venue, and there's some difference you need to know between the public funded facilities and the public funded facilities. How the public funded facilities are very much developing integrating technology at a slower rate than privately funded facilities. And that's something to note as technology goes on. The publicly funded venues have to wait for elections that to concur for them to get the right funds for them to integrate this new technology for them to make their process operations much easier. As an article from State Tech note that both the facility management is mostly the same in public and private sector, but the state and local government of these that controls this publicly funded venues have more regulation, which these venues have to comply and have to make the early adoptions of this emerging technology is very difficult. And this is how state-funded sports venues struggle to adapt into the industrial trends. And this is probably what happened with the Quam Center in San Diego, how they kind of struggled to update their own facility maintenance, which sadly led to the Chargers moving from San Diego to Los Angeles and led to the Quam Arena or Quam Field being destroyed. And as public funding becomes more difficult to operate within sports venues, you start to notice a trend that these sports venues are being funded privately than publicly. And that's something to keep up to be keen on. How CAFM is very much an integrational part in it, and that's how it's one piece to be involved within sports venues. And it'll be pretty interesting to see how would artificial intelligence be able to expand the CAFM software, but that's something to be observed as time goes on by. I think in my case, I think artificial intelligence will make CAFM much easier, especially with the objective part. Now how it's able to create an objective summary for managers, making their lives much easier on creating an efficient process. You might see artificial intelligence create a plan for managers themselves. The possibilities would be endless to see as artificial intelligence is booming throughout this age of the year of 2024 and 2025. It's pretty much interesting to see how it goes on by. But thank you for reading this. Thank you for looking at this video. And you have a good one this week.